Experience driving perfection in the 2021 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. State-of-the-art amenities such as memory seats and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 18 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.